Yep, go ahead. What is it? What is it? The Looney Tunes?
Looney Tunes.
Did y'all both get Looney Tunes? What are those? There's some right there. There's a couple right there.
Looney Tunes.
Got a Looney Tunes. What are those? Yay! Is that iCarly?
Yeah, that's two. No, there. She got two.
Well.
Where? We're here.
Gonna play with your stuff now?
No.
There's another one right there. Whose is that one?
Aubrey. We got to open this one.
Yep, y'all got one more. Y'all got one more together.
Oh, well, no? We're going to go upstairs. What was it? I don't know. There's two flies.
There's
both of us.
Yeah, there's a head for each one of y'all. There's one for Aubrey and one for you.
Where's the other one? Two in here?
Yeah, there's two in there.
Cool. Where's the other one?
You're welcome, baby. Did you get good stuff? Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Last year for Christmas we got lots.
Did you? We got a lot of stuff this year too. You still get more stuff when you go home.
Not yet.
I'm sure Poppy and all them got a bunch of stuff, and Mom, and...
Can we open that? Daddy, can we play with this?
Yeah.